Hi, I'm Sarah with WTI. Nothing gives your bathroom more personality than a fun and whimsical shower curtain, and this shower curtain from Yookeb has definitely delivered exactly what I wanted. This company offers many different unique designs in different sizes, so you're sure to find exactly the vibe you're looking for. My adorable shower curtain has a realistic waving bear that scares me every time I walk in the bathroom. I'm just kidding. But I did see this design on the Amazon storefront and I knew I had to have it. But honestly, all of the different options they have make me wish that I had 20 different bathrooms. This curtain came with the hooks you need to hang it, and it was very easy to remove my old curtain and hang the new one up. I love how lightweight it is. It slides open and close very easily, and because of its light color, I can see everything in my shower way better than I did with the dark, heavy curtain. Now let me tell you about the design of this bear. I am very impressed with it. Not only is it cute and unique, but even up close it doesn't look pixely or odd. The material is nice and thick and well stitched together, and it's going to last for years. So if you're ready to start every morning off with a smile because of your adorable shower curtain, then I think you're going to love this one from Yookeb. And that's my point of view.